All right, you're done. Good job. So make sure you submit it, which you should have already done in the previous frame. Um, and that was it. So basically, this week, obviously, what we covered was just kind of doing general adjustments. I know it was really brief, and you might even run into issues. Just try to do the best you can with it. In the future, maybe I'll add a little bit more of that in there. But really, if that's something you want to pursue, like let's say you're in the coding or something in a programming classes, computer sciences, sorry. And you're like, oh, I'm taking this because I want to take game design. We do have game design in VCP. You could just take the one game design course. But if that's something you want to pursue or you want to do like UI or UX or whatever, you can. I would highly suggest just taking like the digital imaging course because it's just the more bare bones. Like this is digital imaging, and it's meant to apply to like for Photoshop and game design and web design and all the other designs that are out there. So I would really suggest taking that because that's going to actually kind of go through the plethora and it'd be more of a stepping stone. Um, because otherwise I'd have to spend just multiple classes on that in here, and there's just not enough time for that. So I was just doing that. The other thing that we covered was basically just doing the divs and spans. So the divs and spans obviously just allow us to kind of organize the page and to target our areas. Okay, I mean that in cooperation with IDs and classes. So between all those elements, now you can start to probably see how you can finagle it a little bit better. Next week, what we're going to do is just kind of build again, like we always do on this one, and that will actually be the last of this lab series. And we're just going to kind of pretty it up a little bit. We'll add a couple more CSS rules for you and HTML tags and things like that. And then after that, it'll be project, and then we'll start a new series. Okay, so hopefully this all made sense. If you do run into issues, as you per usual, you can look below and you'll see my email. Just email me or use that phone number. It's my Google Voice number, and I'll help you to the best that I can. All right, so keep going on, guys.